Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video on Likee application. To rotate a video on Likee app is super easy so that you can fix a sideways shot or get the perfect angle on your video. First of all, open up the Likee application on your mobile device, and then from the home page, go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Record a new video or upload one from your device's camera roll. I'm just gonna record a video here by tapping on the little circle at the bottom. After you've done recording, you can tap the tick mark at the bottom right, and then your video will be previewed on the screen. Now, once you see the video on the screen, click on Edit on the right corner of the screen. Once you end up in the editing screen, click on your video on the timeline and then click on Rotate. You will then be able to rotate a video by 90 degrees each time. Tap on Rotate again, and once you find the perfect view for your video, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and then make further edits to the video and finally upload it on Likee whenever ready. So that's how you can easily rotate your video clip on Likee application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.